not very sure if this is a case of believe it or not, got to believe in magic, or podcast, paano ka ba talaga ginagawa? Ako po si Alwin Ignacio, ang diva that you love. Kasama ko ang aking kumaring ultra maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
At ito po ang The Kitty Show. Tarayan at Talakayan Showbiz Edition. I'm sure majority are aware sa IG story ni Miss Chris Aquino. Meron siyang naging operasyon, naging successful naman ito, at meron siyang battery of a whole set of doctors who's trying their best to ensure that indeed she's going to give a good fight. At obviously, good fight naman talaga ang nangyari sa kanyang latest medical episode kasi nga, sinabi niya na parang pag everything is rosy and everything is on the right track, parang gusto niya sumubok na magka-podcast. At nagtatanong na nga siya kung sakasakaling gagawa pa siya ng podcast, may manonood pa ba sa kanya? So Mare, ano makasabi mo sa latest na development na ito sa buhay ni Miss Chris Aquino?
Well, you have to understand na there was a time, I think, was it last year, 2 years ago,
Mhm.
na she dropped hints na she will do a show
With Darla.
with Darla.
Oo,
Yung
oo.
ano, di ba?
Parang talk show ulit.
Parang talk show, o parang podcast nga din yun di ba? So that was more than 2 years ago. And now she's
Hindi,
hinting.
parang that never materialized because after that announcement, lumala yung autoimmune system. Autoimmune deficiency, nadagdagan yung sakit niya, di ba? So,
Na-shelve.
na-shelve. So, ngayon, after this operation, bagong announcement.
Bagong announcement.
Mhm.
Kasi, ang kay Chris kasi, she should have announced it kung andyan na.
Mhm.
Di ba? Kung physically healthy na siya. Di ba? Kasi parang she was testing the waters kasi sabi mo nga, di ba? Parang tinetest niya kung manonood ba kayo, di ba? Yung mga ganon.
That was part of the if I remember
part
it
of
correctly, the IG
of the
story.
area of the IG story, di ba? It would have been better or it would have been best kung magaling na siya tapos binulagan na siya tayo. I watched for me in my very first podcast show na on this day, ganon. Dapat ganon na lang. Kasi, what she was, she was asking for is to know whether she still has an audience.
If she still has a public who's going to support her endeavor. That's how you see it.
Parang kasi yun tawag dito, you dip into the waters, tinitingnan mo kung gaano kalalim, and then kung kaya mo, lalangoy ka na. Or, lalangoy ka na, may kasama ka ng ibang mga tao na lalangoy. Pareho kayo.
May mga katuwang ka na.
May mga katuwang ka na.
Okay.
Kasi, at saka, pero, tawag dito, parang she's also giving hints na she is on her way to recovery. Kasi when you do a podcast, you have to interview.
Yes.
Paano yung interview, the interaction? Di ba? You're supposed to be,
Nakahiga lang
sick
palagi.
na ka, di ba? Parang So, may wall ba? May may wall between her and the subject matter na interview niya? Kasi she cannot be di ba? Can she? Di ba? She cannot mingle with other people. O, saan gagawin yon? Di ba? Tapos, lahat ba may nakaantabay na, di ba, medical experts? Kasi, di ba, she has to be cared
Surrounded
about.
by her
diba?
medical team. Ako ang tingin ko naman, if she feels that she wants to do a podcast, I'll just give that to her. More than anything, I just really hope when that time comes, she is magaling na magaling na magaling na talaga. Because risky ang pagpo-podcast because sabi mo nga, it will involve so many people, not just her. And pwede rin naman kasing mag-podcast na nakaupo siya kunyaring ganyan, tapos naka-zoom naman yung isang tao. That can be a possibility.
Oo, pero ano yun eh. Hindi, ang podcast kasi live.
Diba?
Harapan.
Parang magka-shared screen, ganon.
Mm.
I don't know kasi what is she thinking of what kind of podcast or whatsoever. Basta sa akin, Chris, sige, gusto mo yan. Ambition mo yan. Pangarap mo magka-podcast. Sa akin lang, bago mo talaga ambisyonin yan at hilingin at tanungin sa mga tao kung panonoorin ka ba, magpagaling ka muna ng bonggang-bongga. Pag magaling ka na ng bonggang-bongga, do what you have to do. Kasi ang nangyayari kasi, ang dating, parang ito ka na naman. Magsasalita ka na naman ng ganyan. Tapos biglang, set, tapos biglang, ma-endanger na naman ang sarili mo kasi lumala na naman yung sakit mo.
Kasi wishful thinking
Ayun
ang
nga,
nangyayari sa kanya.
Ako, yung wishful thinking walang masama doon eh. Saka, pangalawa, pahid na naman niya yun eh. O sige, mag-wishful thinking ka na, wishful thinking. Malay mo, itong wishful thinking na to ang nagbibigay lalo ng desire sa kanya na magpagaling. Diba?
It will always be a welcome sight na makita siya in a podcast show.
Kaya nga sa akin, okay yung wishful thinking. Naway ibigay sa'yo ng universe. Naway lahat ng gamot mo tumalab bago yung actual date niyan. Pero mas maganda rin na magpagaling ka na naman unang bonggang-bongga. Tapos bulagain mo na lang kami. Wala nang announcement na, would you love to see me in a podcast? Emerald. Pakita ka na lang namin, nakaupo, may mic. Diba?
At saka, pag umpisa mong podcast, hindi
Tuloy-tuloy
pwedeng
na
ma-stop yan, di ba?
Oo.
It should be,
Continuous.
tuloy-tuloy. Continuous yun.
Oo.
Di ba? Kaya kailangan, yung bala mo for podcast, marami.
Oo.
Di ba? Kasi,
kailangan, kaya ng katawan niya.
Oo.
Di ba? Not unless it's just
At saka kasi maano yun. So, kung magpo-podcast, tapos may guest siya, so parang, di ba, dadaan yung guest niya sa quarantine or whatever, di ba? Matindi.
I'm sure, kahit naman yung mga bumisita sa kanya I'm sure pinapadaan sa kung ano-anong mga test.
Di ba? May mga
or disinfection bago siya makalapit or makatabi or makaakap. Di ba? So I'm sure, yung mga protocols na yun, yung mga health protocols na yun, gagawin in case the podcast is going to happen. If it even happens. Diba? So sa akin, more than, if that gives her hope, that gives her the yung giya ba tawag doon? The giya to be more excited on a daily basis. Podcast, happy podcast. O di sige, ibibigay ko na sa kanya yon. Pero sana, magpagaling ka muna. Yun ang unahin mo.
Yung area niyang yun, it gives an indication of how far she loves going back to what she does.
It's obvious.
Best.
She's
talagang yun ang gusto niyang mangyari.
That's
kasi
very obvious.
How long has she been out of the limelight? 5-6 years, di ba? Parang ganon.
Kaya yun nga kasi, parang ang problema kasi sa sakit niya, di ba? Parang binibigyan siya, oy, gumagaling na ako, biglang aatake.
Parang it's her baby step to get back
to get back.
Where
kaya dapat before she even take that baby step, she must make sure that her body is really well. Dahil nung nakikita ko sa sakit niya parang lagi na siyang parang on the verge, di ba? Kaya kami may announcement ay pagaling na ako, tapos biglang attack. Attack na naman ng mga, kung ano mang fungi ang uma-attack sa kanya. So, hihina naman siya. Magkaka-rashes naman, magkakaproblema na naman sa BP at kung ano-ano pa. So, the wishful thinking of a podcast is great, but our prayers are always with you. Kaya dapat magpagaling ka muna ng magaling ka na. You can actually, maybe, in her mind, the podcast is already happening. Isulat niya na lang muna if she can write or you can dictate the ideas to her staff. Diba?
At saka for sure, talagang dumugin yung podcast niya. Kasi ang tagal niya nawala diba? Saka alam mo si Chris, interesting personality.
Saka lalo na if she's going to talk about her medical journey and on how to have hope, to cling on to that hope. Dahil nga, we all know na hindi na pambihira ang kanyang karamdaman.
Yeah.
Diba? So we pray for you, Chris, that this podcast happens in the nearest future. But what is most important, be well, get well. This is Alvin Ignacio, the Divo that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And we're inviting you to watch a TT show every Saturday and Sunday at 4 p.m. You can watch us at our YouTube channel, Jari Turada, and of course, our Facebook page. Happy Sunday to all, and advance Happy Valentine!